Morning.
Morning.
This place. 2025, we're doing the Verse a little bit differently. Next week, Ricki Weston's coming to us. So we're here, Whatley Manor. I want to get to know Ricki and see what he's doing that's different. Stunning. Even the winter is stunning. I wonder what it's like in the summer. How you doing?
Welcome to Whatley. That's our kitchen garden. It's got the beans and a little kind of sprouting broccoli coming up there. We've got some kohlrabies and beetroots coming up on that side. Again, it's still quite early, obviously it's end of January.
Yeah, sure.
Try and utilise as much as we can from here. And yeah, just have a little conversation with the gardeners each year, what's coming into season, what they want to grow, what I want to use in the kitchen, and just have a little kind of partnership really from that.
It guides you through what you're going to be using.
Yeah, we're good at cooking, they're good at growing.
Yeah.
So it's a case of what do they really like growing, what can they make world class, and then I'll then find a use for it.
You'll see the boat next week.
I can't wait.
It's just a load of dirt at the minute, so don't be expecting any broad beans popping just yet.
I'll show you guys in a minute. We've got the greenhouses over there. So we've got two, all of our micro herbs and everything. We try and grow as much as we can from there. Everything from seedlings all the way through. These are something we started using a lot as well. So you smash up all the scallop shells. The slugs, they hate it.
Yeah.
These have just been planting out the coriander seeds. Probably the one we use the most in the kitchen. And then obviously a little compost area. These are quite cool, little hot boxes. We started using these before, so it takes so long the transition time of compost to come through, whereas the hot box will do it all in 90 days. Right. So we've got a glass crusher as well. So it's something stupid like 15 or 20 times the amount of glass you can get in if it's crushed compared to whole. Just chuck it in.
Can I go in?
Yeah.
What? I want it. I want a glass crusher.
This is the kitchen. All the food for the whole hotel comes from it.
Massive.
It's a good little space.
Sport for space. My guys are as well.
We do so many different practices within the hotel and the kitchen, but it's just what we feel that's right.
Yeah, like what you showed me in the grounds, there's so much going on. And
yeah, well, I'm really excited about coming up next week.
my grounds aren't attached to what you've got going on there, but no, it's going to be good. It'll be good fun.
No, I'm really looking forward to it. It's nice to kind of cook with like-minded people.
Right, we're here. We're rocking. We're settled in. We are doing another Versus. Tonight we have the fabulous Ricki Weston with us. He's got his added somewhere.
Lovely little place. It's not even little, it's a massive place.
This is a pug Wagyu.
Last week I went to Whatley, stunning place. It's nice, first time we've kind of gone out, so who's coming in, really refreshing to get out, to be honest. But, 2 on table 3, please.
We've got a lovely little Wagyu dish with some fermented mushrooms.
Bread on table 4 and table 8. I'm going to go out there and say probably one of the nicest menus as a whole we've done in 25.
Thank you.
No, I'm joking. No.
Amazing.
Do it. How long's 6 scallops, Tomo? Just straight through, yeah? Table 1, please, 2 covers.
We've also got our turbot dish. So we age our turbot whole. Nice little spiced citrus blanquette.
It's actually quite refreshing to have another chef come in. It's nice to see what their approach to food, like what they've been working on, and they're proud of it as well because they're going to bring it to somebody else's kitchen, so they've got to be like, fully behind what they're doing. Stand by 6 more, George. Table 1, please.
How's it been?
Tasty, delicious.
Great fun. A wicked menu. I think the dishes actually worked really well with Liam, and always learning from other people is brilliant. And seeing everything that he's doing outside with how he's growing stuff and farm animals, it's been really good fun. It just comes now, doesn't it?
Yes. So I know we'll just top this evening up just right. My petty 4th in Australia.
Oh, you just said top it off, I'll have 9 Jaeger bombs. It's like, I've seen what happened to you last time you had 9.
Yeah, so what happened last time you had 9? Did you get the full story on camera?
No.
Another full restaurant of happy guests. Right, well, thank you very much, mate.
Cheers. Thanks for having me. It's been good.
Cheers.